Sa pagharap kanina ni former Department of Public Works and Highways Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo sa pagdinig ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee kaugnay ng mga anomalya sa flood control projects sa bansa, ilang pampersonalidad ang binanggit niya na nakatanggap umano ng komisyon o kickbacks mula sa listahan ng mga proyekto na ipinasok sa General Appropriations Act.
I delivered 20% of approximately 800 million or about 160 million to Maynard Ngu, which was meant for Senator Escudero. Deliveries of cash were personally made by me to Maynard Ngu at his office in Manila. Engineer Alcantara collected the 25% commitment or about 125 million, which was turned over to me and then delivered to Senator Revilla in his house in Cavite. I relayed the 15% commitment to Engineer Alcantara. Engineer Alcantara collected 15% commitment or about 37 million, which was turned over to me and which I then delivered to Senator Binay at a house in Quezon City.